Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be drawing a bed. Now you might be wondering, what kind of bed are we drawing? And I'm glad you asked that. Because we are going to be drawing a budgie. It's actually what this YouTube channel is named after. It's named after my budgie. So I'm using an electronic art thing. So yeah, I'm not very good with these, so don't judge. What? Yeah. Here will be his eye. I'm going to have his wing. And now after this, I'm going to get rid of this outer lining. Like, it just needs to go. Okay, yeah, this is. So now that we are going to move this to black, okay, we are going to continue with this time. It's going to be going like this, and it's going to have its tail. Now we're going to make the whole outline like this. This isn't just going to be a regular budgie. This is an evil budgie. Please don't judge if you don't like this, because I'm not very good at art. Okay? And now after that, we're going to be coloring the budgie's wing. So, going to be like this. Now after that, we're going to do the feathers. Now to do that, I'm going to use just a primary pencil and just move this to here. Again, going like this. Yeah, and also along with that, we're going to draw something like that over there. Okay, now I'm going to need to add in some legs. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. This is my budgie. Thank you for watching. Please